blue color, black color, yellow color, dark pink color, orange color, brown color, light pink color, red color, dark green color, sky blue color, purple color, and light green color. Kids, now you draw A and use light green color. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for god, H for helicopter, I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J and use black color. J for joker, K for king, L for lemon, M for monkey, N for nose, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for quill. So now you draw R and use yellow color. R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for vanilla, W for whale, X for x-ray, Y for yo-yo, and Z for zoo. Kids, now you draw numbers and use red color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Red color, yellow color, green color, black color, brown color, and blue color. It's now you draw A and use red color. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. Kids, now you draw D and use yellow color. D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for god. Kids, now you draw H and use green color. H for helicopter, I for ice cream, J for joker. Kids, now you draw K and use black color. K for king, L for lion, M for moon, N for nose. Kids, now you draw O and use brown color. O for octopus, P for parrot, Q for queen. Kids, now you draw R and use blue color. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. It's now you draw V, and U is red color. V for van. W for wheel. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Red color, yellow color, green color, black color, brown color, and blue color. It's now you draw one and use red color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kids, now you draw 6 and use yellow color. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's now you draw 11 and use green color. 11, 12, 13, 14. It's now you draw 15 and use black color. 15, 16, 17, 18. It's now you draw 19 and use brown color. Brown color. 19, 20, 21, 22. It's now you draw 23 and use blue color. 23, 24, 25. It's now you draw 26 and use red color. 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.